In this video, we'll explore the theme pile, one of the hot themes on JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. In the Showcase Manager page, you can create a new showcase or edit an older showcase. In the Showcase Settings page, make sure all the settings on the General tab are saved. Go to the Theme tab to install the new theme. Click on the Pile theme and download and install. All settings for the Pile theme will be shown. Let's start with the Thumbnail panel, which allows you to set the configuration related to the thumbnail image. Use image source to select the image source presented. Max width and height allows you to set the maximum width and height of an element. Overlap to set overlap amount in pixels. Rotation to set maximum rotation in degrees. Border thickness is the thickness in pixels of the thumbnail border. Border color allows you to select the color of the thumbnail border. Use hover color to select the color of the thumbnail border when the cursor is hovered over. Show shadow to define whether to show or hide the shadow in the thumbnail image. And shadow color allows you to select the color of the thumbnail shadow. Finally is click action to set the action after clicking an image. Now we'll go to the slideshow panel. It allows you to set the gallery behavior when it plays the slideshow. Fade and pickup duration allow you to set the duration of image fading, pickup, and put down animations. Show title and description defines whether to show or hide title text and the description in the lightbox image. Finally is title and description CSS, which allows you to set CSS styling to be applied to the title and description text. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.